So, good morning. Today we are going to take a lesson Androcles and the lion. Okay? Androcles and the lion. Okay? The author of the lesson is Escopes Fabius. Okay? Now, let's see the lesson. Okay? We'll start the lesson. Okay? In Rome, it was the custom of the rich to buy human beings as slaves to work for them. These slaves were often treated with cruelty and lived in fear and misery. The meaning of misery is unhappy. Unhappy and sad. This is a story of one such slave called Androcles. His cruel master made him work from daybreak until long past nightfall with hardly any rest and very little to eat. There was a village, a city called Rome. तिथे एक rich man होता. He used to take human beings as slaves to work from him. He not used to treat him good, and one of his slaves' name was Androcles. He was not treating any of his slaves properly. He used to not give any water, no मतलब खाने के लिए भी कुछ नहीं और पीने के लिए भी कुछ नहीं. No water and no food. They used to get only little food. The slaves were very unhappy and sad to live there because day and night they were working. Miserably they were working. They were unhappy to stay there. So what happened? We'll see. Okay? One day, Androcles decided to run away from his harsh master. What he decided? What he got an idea to run away from his master, even though it was punishable by law to do so. What the rich man made, the law was, if anyone runs away from here, that person will be punished very badly. But what he decided to run away. He knew that it was not correct to run away, but what he did, he decided to run away. He crept out of the miserable heap of straw and rags that served at his bed. He bent low and in the dark moved swiftly away from his master's land. What he did, he slowly went away, looked here and there. He looked that anyone is looking at him? No. So slowly what he did, he moved away of his master's land. त्याने काय केलं? हळूच निघून गेला. He rested and kept moving deeper into the woods. What he did, he moved from his master's land and slowly he entered deep into the woods in the forest side. He looked for water and something to eat. He was very hungry. What he did, he looked for something to eat. He searched here and there if he gets any water or something to eat for food because he was very hungry. Okay, now let's see what happens next. But another day, a few barriers, there was no food to be found. He did not found any food. No food he found there. No food he found there. Day after day, he went hungry. Day passed away. दिवस जात गेले पण त्याला काही जेवण मिळालं नाही. Okay, he became so weak that he was afraid he wouldn't live through the night. He was so afraid, he was so hungry that he was in that tension that if I did not eat today, this night, what I would die. He was so hungry because he did not get any food. With this last bit of strength, he crept into a cave and fell into a deep sleep. In that situation what he did, काय केलं त्यांनी, तसंच एका केव्हमध्ये गेला. ओके, ही वेंट इन टू अ केव अँड फॉलो डीप स्लीप. काय केला तो, झोपून गेला. what he did, he first went into the deeper woods, then he searched for what, yes, he searched for food, but he did not get any food to eat. So at one night he thought that जर मी आज जेवलो नाही तर मी आज जिवंत राहणार नाही. So in that situation he went into a cave and fall into deep sleep. The cave that Androcles has chosen was the den of a lion. ज्या केव्हमध्ये तो गेला होता ती केव्ह कोणाची होती, लायनची. आफ्टर फिनिशिंग दिस हंट द लायन वॉज टर्निंग टू हिज केव्ह ॲज अ मॉर्निंग बिगेन टू फिल द स्काय विथ लाईट. when he went into the cave there was no lion in the cave, but after जशी जशी सकाळ व्हायला लागली, after a night there is morning. So when the sun rises up, the lion was returning to his cave. Okay, just before reaching the cave the lion stepped on a thorn and he went deep into his paw. Okay, he went into the cave. Lion काय केला, तिथपर्यंत गेला. Okay, now we'll not go further. Okay, we'll see the story tomorrow. Okay, what happens next. Okay.